What's up, everyone? It's Friday, the 7th of October, and first week out of October, first week of the quarter, done, completed it. We've had another good day. We have had a very good day. We started off a little bit shaky. Our first trade went against us to almost $3,000. Then we started getting into our stride. We had a couple of trades, ADTX, TOPS. And we're chipping away. We were about $2,200 down, and I took a trade with AMV. So AMV moved up into a halt. On resumption, it gapped up, moved quite considerably. We got a portion of an $8 move, so quite a significant move. As it moved up, I took some profits, put a stop in place, got stopped out, $14,500 on that one move. That put us just over $12,000 up on the day. So I took the dog for a walk. Was happy enough. Came back a little bit later, to more than 2.5 times, well, almost 2.5 times my daily goal. So wasn't really looking for much. Came back a little bit later, saw Heartbeam moving up. Beat is the ticker, BEAT. That was moving up, so we managed to get a portion of that, and we made another $1,600 on top of that. So we finished today. 13,740 was how we finished. So the big one was AMV, and this was the big move up. So once it broke the VWAP, came back down, and then it moved up into a halt, and then as we got up here, the gap up from a halt here, we got the gap up and a move up to $26. So the move started down here, kind of $17, $18. We got hit the momentum scanners, we got the visibility of that, and then it moved up, and we were able to take profits up here, and I put stop in, and we got stopped out. Of course, very volatile. Very, very volatile stock. The volume wasn't huge, to be fair, prior to the move. Wasn't huge after the move, but we got good volume during the move, which is what's important. And after, in the evening, your afternoon or market's afternoon, so we got this move up as it went green, and then came all the way up here, and we managed to get just over $1,600. Well, exactly $1,600 on this move as well. So this was, again, relatively easy. Once we got in this, if I look at this on the 1 minute, I'll just put it on the 1 minute so you can actually see this. You can see how relatively simple it was to trade this. So let's go back to where we were. So we've got this move up. It's on the scanners. But then we get this move up, we get this consolidatory pullback, and then we got in here as we were able to catch that and move up. So I think one of my students on the Day Trade with Tony Discord was the one that called this out whilst it was moving up and broke the red to green line. Did a bit of consolidation, and then as it started to move up, we got this pullback, and we're able to ride that up for $1,600. Happy days. Good finish to the week. We're going into the weekend happy. We're 42,000 up on the week. We're 42,000 up on the month. We've got 3 trading weeks left. So given that we look for 100,000 per month, we're more than on track for that. So we're a quarter of the way in. We're 40% of goal. Another week like this, and we'll be pretty much at goal. Now, we started August very similar. We're actually we're actually at goal on the Thursday morning of the first week, and then we gave a huge amount back, and then it was up and down, swings and roundabouts for the rest of August, and we finished with our best ever month. So hopefully we can beat August. I'm not going to hold my breath because I've never had a month like I had in August, but hopefully we can, and give us a running leap into November. But all that being said, what I'm really looking forward to this month, what's going to be special this month, is going to be the World Series of Day Trading. And if you're not registered, what I will say is, why are you not registered? World Series of Day Trading takes place from the 18th to 25th inclusive. Now, there are certain rules to apply if you want to take part in the World Series of Day Trading. Geographically, not everybody's eligible, but go and register. Someone will contact you and just check that you are eligible. It's free to register, so by all means, what have you got to lose? You could be one of those prize winners. There's over $50,000 worth of in the prize pool. You could be one of those prize winners, and you might even get qualify for a live funded account from a funded for a profit share from a prop firm. So you're basically trading with other people's money. So that's the kind of prizes that are on offer. Now, the World Series of Day Trading, 7 days of trading. You must trade 4 of those 7. You've got to have a level of consistency, and you'll be given $240,000 of simulator money, live data on the simulator account, and you can't lose $10,000. So if your account reaches $230,000, you're eliminated from the competition. But there's no holding overnight. It's a day trading competition, not a swing trading competition. There's no futures, so you're not trading the S&P 500. You're not trading the NASDAQ. It's equities, stocks. It's trading stocks and shares. Now you can trade Apple, you can trade Tesla, you can trade some of the low float bioscience stocks. You can trade AMV that I traded today. Whatever it is that you want to trade. But what you can't do is trade crypto or trade Forex or anything like that. It's a day trading competition on the stock market. So go and register for it. Go and check it out. Links in the description for this video. First link in the description. Of course, there are other links in the description. Benzinga, Day Trade. If you want to join us on the Day Trade with Tony course, by all means, come join us. That's the second link in the description on this video. And for those of you that are already on the Day Trade with Tony course, that have registered for the World Series of Day Trading, the Discord, the private Discord that goes with the Day Trade with Tony course, we're going to be doing a session on Monday the 17th, which will be the day we all get access to the platform for the World Series of Day Trading. We'll be doing a session there that will allow us to configure the platform, get used to the platform, maybe trade with it a little bit on the Monday in a simulator fashion. And we'll be comparing notes and sharing, configurations, hotkeys, hot buttons, chart setups, that kind of thing on the Monday in the Day Trade with Tony Discord. So I look forward to doing that with you as well, guys. In the meantime, enjoy your weekend. I'll be back at it on Monday. I did mistakenly say that yesterday that it was a federal holiday, so there'll be no trading on a Monday, and I was right and I was wrong. It is a federal holiday. It's Columbus Day on Monday, but it's not a market holiday. So we're still. If you're wondering what that noise is, it is my chow snoring. But it's not a market holiday on Monday, so the market is still open. We can still trade. That was my error. I have made plans for Monday, so I might have to cancel those if I'm going to be trading. So I will be back at it 90 minutes before the market opens if I am trading, and you can join me 8 a.m. Market time or 1 p.m. London or Dublin time, and I look forward to seeing you there. In the meantime, just check out this couple of minutes of the trade that I took today with AMV, $14,500. Happy days. Enjoy your weekend, guys. See you soon. It's 5,000 stop at 23.40. Move that up into 349. Breaks 23.50. I'm out. I'm out. I'm done.